This ceramic white HP Chromebook touchscreen laptop comes pre-installed with Chrome OS, making it ready to use. Weighing only 1.46 kgs, this laptop is ideal for people on the go. Powered by the Intel Celeron N4020 processor, the laptop allows you to browse and work efficiently. The laptop features a 4GB DDR4 memory with Intel UHD 600 graphics that allows you to switch easily between applications. The laptop comes with 64GB SSD that provides higher responsiveness and faster boot up while being enough to store all your videos, movies and photos. It comes with a 47 Wh lithium-ion battery that gives a battery life up to 9.18 hours. This HP laptop has a 14-inch Micro Edge HD Plus touch display for an immersive viewing experience. It also comes with Bang & Olufsen speakers for a superior audio experience. It features Google Assistant that allows for voice control. The laptop has 3 USB 3.0 ports and one audio out port for easy connectivity. The laptop comes with battery, AC adapter, user guide and manuals included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.